Hey, you can see a lot up here. Cool. I'm stuck. Help. Please help.
Look at this wilderness. It's a waterfall. Look at my hair is all over the place from the hike, but I don't care. I don't, because this is so cool. And because I've got sloths, I'm not even getting eaten by mosquitoes. It's great. This is beautiful.
I am so lost. I have no idea where anyone is. They all left me here. My glasses are falling off. I don't, it's, oh, you're here. Yeah, I'm here. Okay.
Spot across there.
I guess I'm not lost after all. I think we need to go to the Buick.
Okay, so the hike up isn't as easy anymore. You know what?
What?
This is too much.
Yeah.
I think we'll just take the escalator.
That sounds good.
Okay.
Just be a total addict.
What are you doing in the skylight?
Casinos here, it's so addictive though. It's like the if the chair, if the
Nature hike. Oh, geez.
I wouldn't be here right now.